Guys, I'm like 60% there. Because it was looking very grim.
60% where?
The closet is about 60%.
60% must be like a sliding scale. Because you're not talking about like 60% of 100%.
I'm not grading the closet on a curve. No, and I'm not taking y'all in my closet yet. You can see, actually no, that's how people get robbed. Y'all can't see my closet. But just know that progress has been made, period. All right, at least you can walk through it now.
I got lost in the
Floor, I forgot what color the floor was, to be honest.
Her closet is about 60% done on a scale of 400%.
That doesn't count though.
That don't count?
That don't count towards the closet.
This looks crazy in there. This ain't even in the closet. Look at that. What you doing here? Why you minding me and my business? Me and Matt in here.
This is my closet too. Why can't I come in my closet? I'm trying to pack.
Go ahead, go in your closet.
Thank you.
Look at
All
this.
I tried to do
Look at this.
was talk about the progress I've
Look at
made,
this.
and now you're being negative.
I'm not being negative. I'm not being negative at all.
I'm very
Her percentages, like many other things we find out, is on a spectrum.
Which pair should I do? The monochromatic look, or should I go with the nude with the sparkle?
Cover that with that.
Yeah.
You gotta represent Brooklyn wherever you go.
That's a fact.
Now this is fly. This right here is fly. You don't your mother look fly right now?
Yes.
That's what I'm talking
I'm
about.
fresh?
Yes.
Am I fresh though?
You lucky boy.
You know, Deval, here, come take your damn Timbs away.
Just don't. If you don't look down, it don't look that. Oh, okay, inquiring minds want to know where you was going in this. Where was you going in this?
It's an old Halloween costume.
Cairo, where was your mother going in these?
For Halloween. Weave. Halloween? Yeah. And I'll be out there looking for a wiener.